Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are significant for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and exceptionally secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all killing the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, mostly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Torrential slide will carry extremist change to back. Torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other trend-setting innovation. A significant contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration instrument. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential slide, the intrinsic potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most appealing cryptographic money, fundamentally for its local token, AVAX, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling a trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, rising as a very powerful and energetic power. AVAX will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured over the extreme long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of AVAX capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and monstrous commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light engineering that offers more even-handed investment rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance. AVAX offers its brokers a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with numerous biological systems like Chainlink, Biolira, and so on, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a helpful local area around the world, consequently making an equivalent, maintainable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, AVAX has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded AVAX. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with AVAX to assemble items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest coordination is that of Chainlink managers and Chainlink YRF incorporating with the essential torrential slide organization. This mix will be beneficial for the token as it will diminish the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the savvy contracts. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and most extreme costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our AVAX cost forecast 2025. while the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2026. According to our Avax cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and most extreme cost of $80 and $85 separately. For the year 2026, the instability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost expectation. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the Avax cost expectation, our specialists propose that the torrential slide cryptographic money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $96, Torrential Slide Crypto Forecast 2028. Our Avax cost estimate for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the Torrential Slide Specialized Investigation uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Forecast 2029. From our Avax cost expectation, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the least and greatest cost of the Avax token for the year might be $145 and $160 separately. Avax Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost estimate demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $185, with a likely low of $162 in the crypto market. The itemized torrential slide cost examination uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. In light of a VAX cost gauge, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from now on. As per their Avax coin cost expectation, the cost could stretch around $44.14 by 2023 and $81.11 toward the finish of 2025. The torrential slide cost expectation brings expect merging patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the Avax value that might show a higher opinion. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. Toward the start of 2022, the torrential slide cost was around $112. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, which shows that the cost fell has been extraordinary. The determined torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $23.97, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 31%. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of torrential slide will be around $22.76. The most extreme and least costs for 2023 might be around $55.84 and $49.55. Separately,